Oh, this is going to be awkward. What is she doing?
I have not a clue.
What to your face?
Fucking idiots.
What the hell?
I have no idea. She stepped out and I was like, well, I'm not going to stop because she's already seen me. So I carried on. And then she went another time. She went for a fucking round 2, the dickhead.
Did you see the face she pulled?
Oh no.
The lip.
Rotten old bitch. And then they stopped there. What's it stop there for? You might as well just go. Do you see what I mean? It might as well just go because there's nothing there. The green light is ahead. They've already done the red light, so they might as well just continue with it. They've already fucked it up.
What is wrong with people?
Idiots, man.
Oh my god.
She beeping at me?
Yeah, she is.
Oh, okay, okie dokie, that's fine, whatever, fuck yourself.
Why is she beeping at you now?
Not a clue.
You ready for the star?
That's what happens when people don't get in the right lane, they beep at you. And it's your fault when they can't drive. That's what happens. Because they're idiots.
This is why I don't like roundabouts. See why I don't like them now? Guys, this is a tight squeeze, isn't it?
Fucking taxi drivers, man. Dickhead, 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 dickhead. Good luck getting past that in your fucking wheelchair as well. Rear cam, please, Benji. Ta-da.
Oh, look, me getting past that. Let alone a fucking wheelchair.
You wouldn't be able to, would you? Wouldn't be able to walk past it.
What is he doing?
I don't know. I think we followed the wrong car.
We can't go anywhere, mate.
I know. There's a curb there as well, man.
What's he trying to do?
I don't actually know, to be honest. Shall I help him out?
I think we're going to reverse now.
I think I'll help him out because he's obviously a little bit special.
Why is my phone randomly vibrating?
Because I'm not reversing back up there, I am turning around down there, if anything, so move out the way. Don't ever drive like that. Seriously.
I don't understand exactly what he's doing.
I don't know, but I'm going to go on the curb to go round him because I don't think he knows what he's doing either, does he?
Like,
there we go.
What's
There
going
we go.
on?
Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Absolute idiot. Now, what's down here? Is that a dead end?
I have no
That's
idea.
a dead end. Right, so I'll show you how we turn around. When you come to a dead end and you took the wrong turn in, I'll show you how you turn around. Okay? You do this. You go all the way backs as far as you can backs, yeah?
Yeah.
And you go all the way forwards again, right? As far as you can
Then
go
we go
forwards.
all the way back, so what's turning the wheel to
And
the
then you
other
go
way.
all the way backs once more, right? And hopefully, if you do it properly, you can just be on with your day. Whilst waiting for some clown to do whatever he's doing.
He dropped off something at the eye hospital, he did.
Did he?
Yeah. Oh dear. And he's got a smaller car than you.
I know. Yes, he has.
What is he doing?
I don't
Like,
know,
come
Alexi.
on.
I don't know. I'm gonna have to give this guy a whole video to himself, aren't I?
Like, oh my god, come on.
You can use all your big monies to buy expensive cars, but it doesn't mean you're intelligent. You're just thick as shit. Not a clue.
What the hell, man? Oh my god, nobody checks their mirrors, do they?
It's fine. At least he's out of the way. No way. You're actually gonna block the fucking road up. You cunt.
I think you're just a fucking taxi driver.
Yeah. Yeah. What's up, prick? Go on, do the red light as well.
I'm waiting for it.
Go on.
I'm waiting.
Go on.
Go on, you know you want to.
He's got a little bit of smarts, this one, hasn't he? He's got some smarts. Wow. Do you see why I don't like cyclists and why I always make such a fuss about the fucking things? There's just no need for that, was there? I just realised what that car was doing as well. Did it just stop on a crossing? There's some special ones about today. Like I said, there are some special ones about today. Come through. I'm not going to get through now. You've got cars behind you. Come on. Come on. There we go. Now we realised. Thank you. You're welcome as well. Hello.
Sorry to see some. Yeah. She on the phone. She is, isn't she?
Yeah. Wow. That's why she couldn't indicate. Well done. Somebody's got the smarts, haven't they? There you go. There she is. Knobhead. What an odd sight. We've got a black bird, we've got a white bird, and we've got a grey bird. Ooh, ooh. That's it. Walk out in front of me, you bellend. Fuck off.
Things that make you go,
Are you allowed to do that, I wonder? She sat there doing something on her phone. Are you allowed to do that if it's in the little holdery thing on a bike? I wonder. Someone let me know in the comments. I'm actually genuinely intrigued. Because I thought the words said, do not use like mobile devices when driving. Things that make you go,
Really? What did you say?
not a clue.
Oh, at least they apologise.
I am man.
You are a man.
I am man.
You are a man.
Oh, we need to ching
Why?
and do a flashback.
What the fuck? What's he doing?
What's he doing? What do you think he just did?
Well, for starters, he's in the wrong lane.
Yeah.
And he decided to barge his way in.
Yeah.
That's what he was doing.
So you just answered your own question, haven't you?
Yeah.
Chickens, right? Their eggs get taken away from them when they baby. They're not even born yet. Yeah. The eggs get taken away from the mummy chicken before they're even born. Yeah. It's disgusting. I'm gonna be a vegan.
You wouldn't last 2 minutes being a vegan.
I'm gonna be a vegan. That poor old doggy.
I know. Like, seriously. Why is he calling you a twat for?
Huh?
Yeah, huh?
What?
He's calling you a twat. Well, I think that's what he was calling you anyway.
Because he doesn't want to man up to his mistake and reverse back. Whoa, whoa, bad driver. Stop doing that, Alexi.
I didn't do anything.
That was you.
If it was me driving, I would have had my L plates on. The L
Ah,
plates are not on.
bad driver.
What did you do?
I didn't put it in gear properly.